this allows us to cook down. Might have to add some more water to it, but everything is good. Ready? So that's it for now, guys. Let me add a bit more water to it. I think it needs a bit more water, not much. Got the potato on that. And the carrots need to cook just a bit. So that should be it. So I think next time you guys see me, I should be plating up.